Run that back, turbo.
I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is QuoiaLen. If you are new here, I have to go to work like in like 30 minutes. But I wanted to come on here and do this look for you guys. So yeah, this is the look I came up with. I had to beat my face for work. I didn't have to, but I've been neglecting my makeup duties by working at Ulta and not doing makeup. So yeah, this is the look I came up with, and if you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. Oh, I just want y'all to know it's early AF and your girl is tired, but we finna power through this video. Okay, so I have to be at work at 8 o'clock and it's like 6 something, but since I had to, I was gonna do my makeup, I was like, I might as well film. This was a crazy idea. But yeah, we're gonna pair through it. My brows already done, had to maximize my time or whatever. So I'm just gonna go straight into this palette. This is the Perception palette. It was with Makeup Shayla and ColourPop. Revenge down here. I'm gonna go back into the pick. Put that on top. I'm just gonna take the Maybelline eyeliner in Black is Black, the gel eyeliner. Mascara. And for my lashes, I'm going to take these Gala lashes. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Meat Collection. And these are the style Gala, whatever. Put lash glue on these. Lash glue is drying. I'm going to put on my NYX Pore Filler Primer.
code.
Okay, so my camera overheated, but all I did was just contour my face, and now I'm just gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Deep 60 and dust away this excess powder from under my eye. Going back to my eyes, I'm gonna take the gel eyeliner and just line my waterline. Going back to that Makeup Shayla and ColourPop palette, I'm gonna take Revenge and just lift that on my lower lash line. Take my Pure Fully Charged mascara and put that on my lower lashes. For blush, I'm going to take my Note Blush in Desert Rose. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to mix this yellow right here with because this palette doesn't have any shimmer, but with this shimmery shade right here. Now I'm just gonna spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For highlight, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Peach.
The cheat code.
And over top of that highlighter, I'm gonna take this highlighter by Ivy Beauty, and this is their Radiant Glow highlighter in 24 Karat Magic, and that's just gonna go right on the highest points of the cheek. And for lipstick, I'm gonna just take my Milani lipstick in Naturally Chic and Oldie But a Goodie. And the last thing I'm gonna take is this Tarte lip paint, and this is in the color Insta Famous. Oh, I almost forgot to highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take the highlighter from my Pure Face palette. Well, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm doing too much to go to work, but I do work at Ulta, so I mean, why not? But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and do this beat because I wanted to get some views. I wanted to get some videos out for you guys, so this is what I came up with. I think I'm gonna redo this look again and change the coloring and do some other stuff and revamp it. But anyway, yeah, I have to get to work. It's like 7 something and it takes me about 20 minutes to drive over there. So yeah, I have to finish getting dressed and put my warm my car up because it's cold. It's like 20 degrees outside, y'all. Like, what the hell is wrong? Spring is in 2 weeks. What the fuck? But yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel by now and you've made it this far, please hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl make an upload. Okay, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.